Forget everything you thought you knew about American muscle. THIS is the 1,000 horsepower monster that rewrites the rules, the Shelby GT500 Race Red Venom. The Shelby GT500 has always been a legend, a car born from racing heritage and pure adrenaline. But this isn't just another Mustang. This is a fire-breathing beast, tuned to unleash 1,000 horsepower of raw American fury. Draped in race red, its presence alone demands respect. Every curve, every vent, every detail screams performance. Under the hood, a supercharged V8 so powerful, it doesn't just roar. It shakes the ground beneath you. 0 to 60 in a blink, quarter-mile times that leave supercars stunned. This isn't just speed, it's dominance, behind the wheel. It's not just driving, it's war, the exhaust note, pure thunder, the acceleration, like a punch to the chest. The Shelby GT500 isn't built for the timid, it has built for those who crave the rush of untamed horsepower, the kind of machine that turns every straight road into a drag strip. This car isn't just numbers on paper. It's a statement, a legend reborn. The Race Red Venom proves that American muscle isn't just alive, it's evolving, it's dominating, and it's hungrier than ever. So, is it a car, or is it a myth made real? One thing is certain, the 1,000 horsepower Shelby GT500 Race Red Venom isn't just a machine, it's the legend.